Alright, so I am without power. We've got no power at the house. I'm running on a generator. Bad storms came through, it's going to be a little while. It's hot as hell in here. So we see these DIY things and we wonder if they're ever going to work, and you're like, oh, maybe one day. Today is my day. I'm going to make some Redneck air conditioning for the bedroom only. Maybe, if it works. I got a big old brute bucket. It's like a 15-gallon brute. Thank you. That's backwards. Anyways, it's got a snap lid. That's important. And the lid size. That's important too. Got a couple of tools. And I'm going to try to make a Redneck air conditioner. So, I've seen videos on it. And what I remember, you get your container. You got to poke some holes through it. One and a half. I'm going to go with the 1.5 bit. You don't want them too big, because you want the air to have to circulate in the bucket. You don't want the air to just be able to travel through it without cooling off. So I'm going to go with 1.5 holes. And since I'm inside at the kitchen table, empty box. It'll keep it a lot cleaner. So you want to drill the holes, I guess, up towards the top, because the ice that's going to be in here is going to melt, and you don't want it going all over the place. You drill holes down here, it's going to go all over the place. So that didn't work well. Make sure you drill it tight in your drill. There's 3. There's 5. A lot of the garbage went in the box. A lot. So there's 5 holes I put across the face. Alright. You can always add more later. You can't really take them back. Well, I guess you could duct tape. You could take the holes back and not have as many. I'm going to go with 5. So then we have the lid. This item is crucial. You want to compare this item to your lid size. And I picked a Hampton Bay. It's backwards. So, small fan. I got one there with a lip on it. See that lip? That lip's crucial. You'll see why. So, I'm going to put my fan down, check the lip. Well, make sure you have a Sharpie. Hang on. That didn't do it. I found a Sharpie. Oops, I found the drink. Cheers. All right. So you want to try to outline where the inside of that lip is. Ish. Because what you're going to want to do when we're done is be able to set the fan on top of the bucket. Get a proper lid cutting device. This might not be it, but that's what I'm using. I'm going to snap the lid down in place so it doesn't move. This is not a proper lid cutting device. Shit. Maybe. This is not a proper lid cutting device. Hang on. Okay. Oh. I don't need that. Okay. I'm sure there are many lid cutting devices out there. This happens to be mine. Oh, look. Cheers. Okay, so back at the farm. Cut the hole in your lid. Ish. Oh, way too small. Too small. Okay, so. Oh, that's not bad. It doesn't do what I wanted it to. But now that I cut that out, I can get a better trace on it. Because the first one looked like a kindergartner drawing a giraffe. If you have kids, you know what that looked like. It was horrible. That's a much better trace. All right. So, back to the lid cutting device. There. Damn, you're perfect. All right. So, there. Now the fan fits in the hole. Rather nicely. Clean out the bucket. got a bucket, a bunch of holes, this, and a fan. So allegedly, you plug in the fan. You add ice to your, oh, not this ice. This ice. It's kind of got hard. I don't know, do you just dump it in or you keep it in the bag? It's gonna melt. Probably surface area would say to dump it in. Surface area of the bag is going to be smaller than the surface area of all the ice in individual cubes. You'll probably get better airflow and be cooler out of the bag. So then you put your lid on it. If the ice melts, it doesn't matter, it's a bucket. You can dump it out. I'm going for high. It worked! I wish you guys could feel this. This is freaking awesome. My house is 84 degrees right now. This has to be 60-degree air coming out of here. Alright. So, again, power's out. I'm going to take this, I'm going to throw it in my bedroom and shut the door. Then hopefully get a good night's sleep. Cheers, fuckers.